And now, your East Texas Storm Team forecast.
Checking in on that forecast with meteorologist Andrew Samet. Andrew, how is the rest of the day shaping up out there?
All right, Judd, we are going to see the rain really pick up as we head throughout the afternoon and evening, and even into the overnight hours as well. We do have a threat for severe weather today. In terms of severe weather threats, damaging wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour is the primary concern, followed by a couple of tornadoes, also not out of the question. Large hail, the threat's really low for that. I'm not too concerned about it. But I do have flash flooding as our top level here, because even though that's not technically meeting any definition of severe weather, it is certainly going to potentially be impactful there. So just make sure to use caution on the roadways. In terms of the tornado probability, it's localized into this area in particular in the green in deep East Texas, where that marginal risk to the level 1 out of 5 is, which again just means that an isolated tornado is possible, but widespread issues are not expected. But these tornadoes with this type of system can spin up pretty quickly, so it's definitely something we'll continue to keep an eye on through the afternoon and evening. And until 1 p.m. tomorrow, we do have a flood watch in effect for the counties in green. In this area in particular, we will see that threat for flash flooding potentially into tonight as well. We could have a situation where the rain and storms kind of stall out somewhere in our area, so that's something we'll be watching for closely. Certainly make sure if you have to drive overnight and maybe you work at nights to really use extreme caution on the roadway. It's already hard enough to tell if the water is over the roadway in the daytime. At night, of course, it's nearly impossible, so take it easy out there as you drive tonight. Here's what Futurecast has. We'll see waves of showers and storms possible through about 2 o'clock, and then by 5 p.m. we can see widespread heavy rain across the area. Deep East Texas will have the greater chance of seeing some of those strong thunderstorms out there, and we'll continue to see the rain into tonight. Again, this rain is going to be pretty slow moving and could start training in some spots as well, which would elevate the flooding risk. So that's something we'll be watching for overnight tonight. And then by 6 o'clock in the morning, we could still see some heavy rain out there, mainly north of Interstate 20. By Thursday afternoon, we could see a storm or two develop, but it does look like most of the rain on Thursday will be during the morning hours. And then as we head into Friday, the morning should be quiet, and then we'll see showers and thunderstorms develop as we head into the afternoon on Friday. We've got a brand new sky view camera here of downtown Tyler, brought to you by the Tyler Neurosurgical Associates. Again, this is the downtown Tyler area. Looking northward, we see some clouds out there, and again, looks like no rain at this point in time, but we certainly do have that chance of showers and thunderstorms. In fact, taking a look at the satellite and radar right now, we've got a lot of just steady light to moderate rain into deep East Texas, and that will continue for the next several hours here. Some thunderstorms developing between near DFW, and we'll continue to see the chance for some showers and storms as we head throughout the day today. So rain and storms are likely, isolated, severe possible, mainly in deep East Texas, with those chances of 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and a brief tornado. For tonight, we will see scattered showers and thunderstorms continuing out there. Some locally heavy rainfall could lead to some flash flooding, so make sure to use caution on the roadways. Your 7-day forecast looks like this. We are going to see scattered to numerous thunderstorms for the next several days here, so continue to keep that eye to the sky. Outside of today, all-day rain events really are not expected. It'll just be more scattered to isolated in nature. For deep East Texas, it is more of the same. Look for those temperatures to also rebound tomorrow as those storm chances begin to lower as well across the area. And for your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website. That is ketk.com.
All right.